We are pleased to share the latest construction progress at the Manora project. Significant milestones have been achieved on site, marking steady advancement in the structural phase of development. Raft foundation works have been fully completed, providing a solid base for the structure. Carpentry decking has been successfully executed in preparation for the ground floor slab, alongside the completion of ground floor decking reinforcement works. Post-tension works have also been finalized, ensuring enhanced structural strength and durability. In parallel, essential services are progressing well, with plumbing, first-fit piping, and electrical sleeve installations now complete. External carpentry boarding works and drop beam reinforcement have also been fully concluded, paving the way for the next stage of construction. Looking ahead to the next quarter, construction will advance significantly. Works will include the completion of the mezzanine floor slab, followed by the first floor slab. Columns will then be carried up to receive the second floor slab, alongside the commencement of block work on the mezzanine level. This progress highlights the strong phase of construction as Manora moves firmly into its next phase of development. Manora, the sanctuary of sophistication at the heart of Accra.